Day one of winter arc for me. Just went gym. That was a successful gym session, very successful. Now we're gonna go do some meet a friend, and after that, 5K run. Yeah. All these drinks, but on the winter arc calendar. No, on the winter arc contract. So many water, but look at all these selections. I'm gonna let my legs rest up a little bit, and then we'll go on our 5K run. But boy, we got the water, as you can see. Winter arc contract, we signed that today. I'm only drinking water for the next, like, what, 3 months. Better start getting used to it now. We just did our 30 minutes of reading, reached page 100 of the book. Very good book so far. And I'm going to continue reading it until I finish either the book or I finish winter arc, whichever comes first. 30 minutes of reading done. Last thing I need to do today is shower and then edit and upload the video, which you guys have probably already seen by now. The winter arc video before this one. So yeah, I need to edit that and get that out hopefully today. Alright guys, about to start the 5K. As you can see, the attire, shorts and the t-shirt, no gloves, no headscarf, no nothing. I don't know if you guys can see me, I don't think you can, but basically it's about like maybe 10 degrees outside. It's very, very cold. So let me get started before, yeah, I think you can see me now. Yeah, I'm just freezing right now, so let me get started on this run before anything, because look at my attire. Look, bro, it's freezing. This headlamp is really giving me good lighting, but yeah, we're gonna start this run now. It's gonna suck, but winter arc, we have to do it. Alright guys, don't know how much you guys can see me, but just finished the run. I'll put stats on screen now. I ran just over 22 minutes for my 5K, which isn't bad. You know what the funny thing is, when I was running past people, like just on the streets, everyone I saw was wearing coats and scarves and hats. I'm out here in a t-shirt and shorts, and everyone was looking at me a bit weird, but it is what it is. It's only the start of winter arc, and more to come. I hate saying winter arc though, it makes it just sound so cringy. 22.9, I was literally like almost sprinting the last kilometer. Good start to winter arc. In my Discord, we have a fitness channel as well, so if you guys want to like put on like how fast you guys can run 5Ks or whatever, and we like to compare and have a little bit of competitiveness. Finish the 5K, gonna head in now, shower, and end off the day. Bro, I've been up all night until it's almost 4 AM, bro. Now I know on the contract it says wake up before 6, but all nighters, they don't count, and technically I am still up before 6, so yeah, I'm gonna catch a little bit of rest, so a couple hours, and then tomorrow I wanted to buy an energy drink, but I can't even do that. It says only drink water. Alright guys, it's 1 o'clock. I'm aware of news this time. I'm not making the same mistake as I did last time, but we got some red folder news in about 28 minutes, and this is my entry so far, and let's see what happens. Very confident in the NDB and the weekly, because both indicate sales, to be honest. Like, this could be a big sell-off day into the daily order block, so, or the 4-hour order block. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, I'm gonna just see what happens, but like recently we've been on a bit of a bearish trend, so let's just see if this continues. Obviously next day bias is obviously, this is the daily time frame, this is obviously a sell, so yeah, the price actually hit a daily order block from marked out from a long time ago, and to be honest, it looks like it's respecting it. So now I'm not aiming to pass the funded with this trade or anything like that, because that's like aiming too low, and I'm too far in drawdown to aim for, you know, passing funded. So right now I'm just aiming to get out of drawdown. That's the first thing, get out of drawdown, and then yeah, then that's when I can, once I get out of drawdown, then that's when I can start looking at like trying to pass in one trade. But right now I really can't do that, because I'll be aiming too far low, and like why am I trying to be too unrealistic with myself? It's just no. This is our current line of setup. As you can see, we are currently in a little bit of profit, and this is what I'm aiming for. It's a 1 to 19, and you guys might think, oh, it's a bit far-fetched. Well, not really, because we got our big order block down here. Now I could drag this out and like aim for more, but it's a bit unrealistic. I would aim for swing low usually, right, on this types of setup, because if I'm being honest, this is like an 8% setup right here. So yeah, I could. Thing is, I'm not too sure, but I'm very confident in this trade regardless. So I might even set my stop loss here, no, my take profit here at swing low, because I mean, I'm confident that would hit. I mean, with red folder news and like with wars and everything going on, I know news would do something massive to the market. So oh man, I got stopped out even before news. Literally like 3 minutes after I filmed the last clip, I got stopped out. Bro, markets has been horrible the last like month, it's been the worst. Ever since my winning streak, it's been going down, and like I'm not taking any setups that I wouldn't take. Like these are all setups I would have taken on phase 1, and now that I'm on phase 2, it's like this isn't beginner mistakes. This is genuinely me taking these trades because I genuinely think they'll go in the right direction. I've taken 4 trades this week. I'm not gonna take any more, and yeah, that's it. I'm like down to like, what was it, like 8% on the funded? I'm down like so badly right now. Bro, I'm down 8%. I've got $900 left, and on the flipping charts, it looks like I've just been slipped. That's what it looks like. I've just been liquidated. I'm definitely starting up ecom soon, so yeah, I'll have something else to look at other than this, because like, bro, the markets can just be brutal, man. All right, we're about to see what news is about to do. 3 seconds, 1:30. Oh my gosh, are you serious? What the hell? Nah, you're bugging. Bruh, oh my gosh, are you serious? A 1 to 24 and I get slipped. Wait, I didn't get slipped, I just got stopped, but yeah, on TradingView, it didn't actually show that I got stopped, to be honest. And it perfectly touched my TP as well. I was aiming for swing lows of previous New York session. Yeah, yesterday's New York session low is what I was aiming for. I was aiming for this low right here. And it got swept so nicely. Oh my god. That could have been me at a drawdown right there at like 1% in profit or like 2% in profit. What can I do? And now I'm like 8% down in drawdown. What more can I actually do, bro? What more? My stop loss is the way it is, so I can actually like have like a higher lot size when I'm trading. That's why my stop loss is so tight. But I got everything on point apart from the stop loss. That is so brutal. And I already lowered my lot size. I already lowered my lot size like a little bit, just so I could even enter this trade. I already lowered my lot size like a little bit. I couldn't have lowered it much more. Like, to be honest, there's not much more I could have done. If I'm being totally real right now, there's honestly not much I could have done. This trade, I was so confident. I was like, usually I lose on news, and you guys know that. Usually I do lose. I will admit that. But today I knew I was gonna win. I kind of won in the sense that I predicted it correctly, but I didn't win, did I? I got stopped out right before. And this is the thing, it's like, bruh, it's just kind of annoying. Days like this is just kind of annoying, isn't it? Because I could be out of drawdown, but now I'm down like 8%, almost 8.5% on the funded. So it's like, it's almost gone at this point, and that trade could have really just brought it back up for me. I think if this carries on and I do end up like losing the funded, like I don't think I'll buy another one for like a long time, until like April times, because that's when price action gets good again. Because like right now, price action has been horrible, and then like I've been getting slipped, I've been getting liquidated, I've been getting, yeah, just all sorts of things. Last week of September was the only week where price action was like really clean, to the point where like all my entries were getting like hitting TP. That's why I was even able to pass for phase 1, because like that's the sort of price action that I need on a day-to-day basis, and then like I'll be good. Just been getting really unlucky. Thankfully soon though, I'm going to be starting up some other side hustles and stuff like that, so I have something else to focus on, and I have something else that I can, you know, hopefully make some money off, apart from just trading. I've been doing it for a long time, but like the thing is, it's like it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed. I'd rather have like a business with like, you know, 10 clients at like 1K a month retainer. I'd rather do that than, you know, be on a funded account. I'd rather do that because like it's guaranteed. Like I love things when they're guaranteed. Like this is always like, it's always high chance, like high risk. That's why not a lot of people do it. I would be pissed if I do end up going to lose this funded, but to be honest, trading on a day-to-day basis is like one of the most stressful things. So yeah, like I don't know if this series would stop, or I would like put this series on a hold. I don't know what I'll do, to be honest. Actually, no, I know what I'll do. Like, I just go and start some more side hustles somewhere else. Like, it's not really that big of a deal to me. But like the whole trading side of it, like I've got my strategy, I've got everything down. It's just like a case of actually the markets having good price action. That is never guaranteed. So yeah. All right, guys, it's the next day. It's 7 in the morning. I'm getting ready and we're going to work. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, what? You're working again?
Sort of. I don't know, like, it's hard to explain, like, the situation I'm at right now. I'm not really getting paid or anything. It's just, I just been going for trial shifts, and, yeah, we'll see what the boss says, like, maybe at the end of the month if I start getting paid. Because, right now I'm just going, just to help out. I mean, until I find something, like, a better opportunity, I'm just gonna stick with this, like, what I have right now. I mean, the pay is decent. It's like £12 an hour. Not complaining. And then I could just use that to, like, fund, like, ecom, stuff like that. Maybe another 50k funded, something, I don't know. Or I could even, like, invest in this channel and get, like, a camera or something like that. So that would be very, very nice. But yeah, man, brings me back to, like, old times, like, you know, from, like, February times when I was always going on, nagging on about, like, oh, rat race, 9 to 5, all of this stuff. Until I get, like, 2 or 3 payouts, man, I'm still here. I'm still in the rat race as well. It's a horrible feeling though. Like, I go to work, and I've been working, like, a lot this year. 5 out of the 9 months that have passed. We're in October now, so 5 out of the 10 months that have passed, I've been working. I guess this will be the 6th because this, you know, I'm working now. But yeah, like, half of this year I've just been working, and, like, what, it just annoys me. Like, every time I go into work, I always think to myself, like, I don't need to be here. Like, honestly, like, if I was just profitable, if I just got that set up, or if I just entered a bit, you know, and if I just entered that one time when I actually should have, boy, I wouldn't even be here right now. But it is what it is, man. You know, you just have to do what you have to do. All right, we back. Just a little shift. Again, I'm not getting paid for it yet, but I will soon. Got free food though. I'll take that. I'll take free food. Oh my gosh, I still haven't even dropped off Uma's winter art contract. I need to do that, like, today or tomorrow. Oh boy, we just made it back from football. Can I be real? It was tiring. I bought some cinnamon buns from Tesco's. Bro, what is this? This is crushed. I can't eat that. For today, we have done a couple things. Now, one of the things I need to do is actually pray for an hour for regarding, like, church members and stuff like that. I recommend you guys be on your spiritual journey as well. Always make sure you're praying and thanking God and praising him. Trading on Monday, I'm so confident we're going to catch those GU buys. I'm so confident. Bruh, the setup I'm seeing right now is like A++. So yeah, we should be getting that soon. And I was seeing something. Umar told me something. They said, like, he was talking about how there's something called Locktober, which he saw on Twitter, which is like the winter arc version, but, like, only for October, and apparently it's, like, way better than the winter arc. Locktober, I've never heard of that before, but I guess, like, it means, like, you lock in for October. I mean, it's literally in the name. But what's the point locking in for just 1 month when you can make it 3? Like, I don't understand. Like, in my head, like, I'm gonna just stick with the winter arc, bro. Like, winter arc sounds as cool. Like, I think it's just TikTok that's just made it really, really cringy and stuff, and that's why people don't want to participate in it, or they don't really take it as seriously as, like, they should, because, like, when you think winter arc, you think of, like, TikTok and, like, how TikTok perceive it, and that's why I think people don't really take it seriously. But yeah, that's why they've changed it, and now they've made a Locktober, which doesn't make sense at all. I'm gonna go quickly pray for an hour, and then I'm heading straight back outside, actually, because I'm gonna go play basketball with one of my boys. Oh, just made myself a little roll. So you got rice, you got egg in there, you got duck, and then some other things in there as well. And so we got some ketchup as well, because I'm British. So yeah, it's about 11 o'clock now. My hair is looking crazy. I'm getting it done literally next week, so stop getting on to me. You know, I just even finished another prayer session now. You know what I'm saying? Like, you go always remember to keep God really, really close in your life, and you gotta trust in the Lord, man. You always gotta trust in the Lord. Psalms 9 verse 10 says, "Those who know your name trust in you, for you, Lord, have never forsaken those who seek you." So make sure you're always seeking God. He will always deliver, and he will always be on time, and he will always fulfill his promises. Once you seek him, he will draw to you. You know what I'm saying? You draw closer to him, and he will draw closer to you. I want to spread the word in my videos. You know what I'm saying? Not all the time, not every single minute of the day, but, you know, a quick word from the Bible, because we all need the Bible. We all need the truth in our lives, because that's what it is. It's the book of truth. But yeah, just some words of encouragement. Tomorrow is going to be a heavy day. We got work from 8 to 4, then we got church 3 to 6. No, we got work from 8 to 12, then church 3 to 6. And after that, we're going to be doing some revisions. I want to hit gym. I don't know if I'm going to go early in the morning or late at night. We're going to try and hit gym tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's Monday. I just came back from Collie, and look what's happened. Just to let you guys know now, I'm actually down 9% on my funded account. So I'm almost blowing it. It's almost gone. But do I care? Not really, because I spoke to Uma, and to be honest, if I'm being real, like, price action hasn't been the best like the last like 3 months. I spoke to him saying like, yo, the strategy, I don't even know if the strategy that we've been taught is working, but the strategy is fine, because that's how I even passed phase one. It's just the fact that now like price actions been getting bad, it's Q4 and stuff like that. So there's other things to be focusing on rather than trading, to be honest. But yeah, let me show you guys why I lost another 1% today. So everything what I thought was leading towards buys. So, you know, as you can see, we got a 4 hour 15.5 and then 1 and safe to wait entry. I thought it was going to be buys. So yeah, that's what happened there. I got my confirmed entries. So everything was valid. Like most of the confluences were valid, apart from like the weekly time frame being against. But yeah, I didn't really factor that in. I should have factored that in, to be honest. But to be honest, like most of my losses have been valid. I've been following my trading plan. It's not like I've lost my psychology or anything. It's just genuinely been like a bad, like just losing streak. My psychology stayed the same. My trading patterns stayed the same. Nothing's changed about me or like the way I trade. I've like tried to go back to think like, what have I actually been doing wrong? But like most of the time I realized like most of my losses have been valid. It's just a case of like bad price action. And yeah, I mean, there's some things that I do ignore which I shouldn't have done, which is, first of all, weekly candle. Am I fast? Not really, because if I'm being honest, like it's Q4. I'm telling you that there's so much more money to be made elsewhere, and you guys even know this yourselves. Like Q4 is a good month for like ecom, drop shipping, all of this other stuff. So there's money to be made elsewhere. That money would be last so much longer than trading, because trading is obviously it's high probability, high risk all the time. So I'm going to be focusing on more on that, on like more avenues of ways of making money, especially for this Q4, for this winter arc. That's been it for this video. Yeah, I've been unlucky, but we go again. We go again next video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.